Your phone is about to look ancient. Because these smart glasses can translate conversations, project giant screens in front of your eyes, and even replace your laptop in public. And somehow, the craziest one isn't even in the top 3. From hidden AI assistants to futuristic AR displays, this countdown keeps getting more unreal. And stay until the end because after testing smart glasses myself, I'll share why this technology still has some major problems nobody talks about. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets. Number 10 already feels like technology from 5 years ahead. These look like normal sunglasses, but they secretly work like a live AI assistant sitting on your face. You can ask questions, hear instant answers, translate conversations, and even get navigation without pulling out your phone. Someone talks to you in another language, and the glasses whisper the translation back in seconds. You're walking through a city, and directions appear while you keep moving. That's already futuristic. But the next glasses take the AI experience way further. Coming in at number 9. These glasses don't just listen to your voice. They actually see what you see. Point your head at a menu, a sign, or even a product, and the AI can explain what's in front of you almost instantly. You're standing in a foreign restaurant trying to guess the food. Then the glasses identify everything for you. You look at an object you don't recognize, and suddenly an AI assistant starts explaining it in your ear. That's cool on its own. But the next glasses turn your entire vision into a digital screen. At number 8, things start looking seriously futuristic. Because these glasses can place a floating screen right in front of your eyes. Videos, apps, messages, navigation. It all appears like a private digital world only you can see. You're sitting on a train, watching a giant virtual screen while everyone else sees normal glasses. A message pops up directly in your vision, and you never even touch your phone. This already feels like the beginning of augmented reality replacing screens completely. At number 7, your movies stop feeling portable and start feeling cinematic. These glasses create a massive virtual screen that feels like carrying a private theater everywhere you go. You're on a flight with people staring at tiny phone screens, while you're watching a giant floating display right in front of your eyes. Gaming suddenly feels bigger, darker, and way more immersive without carrying any extra monitor. And this is where the list starts getting dangerous. Because these glasses might actually replace tablets for some people. At number 6, these glasses start feeling less like a gadget, and more like a second digital life. The display feels brighter, cleaner, and sharp enough to make work, gaming, and movies look surprisingly real. You're answering messages in a cafe, while a giant private screen floats invisibly in front of you. Then seconds later, you switch to watching a movie without changing devices at all. This might actually be better than number 7 for everyday use. Because instead of feeling experimental, these feel polished enough to use constantly. So far, which one would you actually wear in public? The AI assistant glasses, or the floating screen AR glasses? Drop your number in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe because the top 3 get way crazier from here. Breaking into the top 5. These glasses feel like having a secret AI brain following you everywhere. They don't just display information. They actively help you think, remember, summarize, and respond in real time. Someone asks you a difficult question during a meeting, and helpful information quietly appears before you answer. You're listening to a long conversation, while the AI summarizes the important parts instantly. This is where smart glasses stop being entertainment and start becoming mental upgrades. And that's honestly a little scary. All product links are in the description and pinned comment below. At number 4, these glasses stop hiding the future and put it directly in front of your eyes. The AR visuals feel brighter, smoother, and far more connected to the real world around you. Navigation arrows appear while you walk through the street like a video game mission. Live information floats beside buildings, objects, and messages without blocking your vision. This might actually be the point where phones start becoming optional. Because instead of looking down at a screen, the world itself becomes the interface. And somehow, we still haven't reached the top 3 yet. Breaking into the top 3. These glasses make portable screens feel almost limitless. The virtual display feels so massive and sharp that working, gaming, or watching movies suddenly feels closer to using a real monitor setup. You're sitting in a tiny hotel room, but it feels like you brought an entire multi-screen workstation with you. Then at night, the same glasses turn into a giant private theater floating in darkness. This is where smart glasses stop feeling like accessories and start replacing actual devices. And somehow, the next two get even more personal and futuristic. At number 2. These glasses do something terrifyingly subtle. They don't look futuristic at all, which makes the technology inside feel even crazier. Real-time translations appear quietly while people talk to you face to face. Notes, reminders, and useful information float naturally in your vision without making you look distracted. You're having a normal conversation, while invisible AI assistance helps you remember names, details, and responses in real time. And almost nobody around you even realizes it's happening. This might be the first smart glasses that truly feel socially normal. But number 1 goes one step further, because millions of people might actually wear them every single day. And finally, number 1. The smart glasses that might actually change mainstream technology first. Because unlike most futuristic glasses, people already want to wear these in everyday life.
Hey Meta,
You can
what's a
capture
cool way to
moments
capture this
instantly,
view?
talk to AI naturally,
Capture the
hear
reflection
messages
of the
privately,
mountains to
and
create
stay
a sense of
connected
symmetry.
without staring at a screen all day.
Hey Meta, take
You're
a video.
walking through the city, recording life hands-free, while the glasses quietly assist you in the background. And that's what makes these different. They don't feel like
Hey
experimental
Meta,
tech anymore.
tell me about this
They feel
architecture.
inevitable.
The architecture
This
is
isn't
a
just
mix
gadget
of
trend.
modern and
It honestly
postmodern
feels like
styles.
the beginning of computers disappearing into normal life. But honestly, after actually using one of these smart glasses myself, the future still feels unfinished. Battery life is still shorter than most people expect. Some displays look impressive in ads, but not as magical in real-world use. And even now, the AI features and app ecosystem still feel surprisingly limited. Then there's the social side. Wearing cameras and AI on your face still makes some people uncomfortable in public. And the biggest problem? The price. A lot of these glasses still cost way more than the value they realistically give most users today. Right now, smart glasses feel stuck in a weird middle stage. The lightweight glasses that actually look normal usually have weak battery life and limited features. But the powerful ones with amazing displays often become bulky, heavy, and extremely expensive. So the technology is clearly getting closer. But for most people, it still doesn't feel fully ready yet. So which one shocked you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments, subscribe for more future tech countdowns, and don't wait too long. Because these gadgets might look completely normal within the next few years.
We're a small team finding the best gadgets for you every week. Hit subscribe, and thanks for being here. See you next time.